Unlock the full power of Nano Banana 2 with this in-depth guide, designed to transform your workflow from novice to expert. First, let's orient ourselves with the refreshed interface of Nano Banana 2. Notice the intuitive layout, making navigation smoother than ever. We'll start by exploring the project setup module. Click on it to begin creating a new project here. You'll be prompted to define your project's parameters, such as naming the project and selecting the appropriate template. Choose wisely, as this sets the foundation for all subsequent operations. Next, dive into the Feature Explorer. This is where Nano Banana 2 truly shines. With its expanded capabilities, you'll see distinct categories. Let's click on Data Integration. To see the new options available, observe the subtle but significant improvements in data import functionalities. Designed for greater compatibility and speed, hovering over each option provides a brief tooltip explaining its purpose. Now, let's demonstrate a key functionality: optimized processing. Select a data set you've imported, then navigate to the Processing tab. You'll find a new slider that allows you to fine-tune processing intensity for faster results. Without compromising accuracy, drag the slider to the desired level and click Apply. This represents a significant leap in performance over previous versions. Moving on to the Advanced Analytics suite, this section has been completely revamped. Click on Visualization Tools. To explore the enhanced graphing and charting capabilities, you can now generate interactive dashboards with just a few clicks. Select a data series. Choose your preferred chart type from the drop-down menu, and watch as Nano Banana 2 creates a dynamic visual representation of your findings. Collaboration is key, and Nano Banana 2's Collaboration Hub makes it seamless. Access this by clicking on the icon in the top right corner here. You can invite team members, share project files, and even track version history in real time. This feature ensures everyone is on the same page, fostering efficient teamwork. Finally, let's touch upon the Settings and Customization menu accessible from the gear icon. You can now personalize your Nano Banana 2 experience extensively, from interface themes to default saving locations. Tailor the tool to perfectly fit your unique workflow and preferences, maximizing your productivity.